Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WhatsApp end-to-end verification and privacy options step by step clearly. Open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on account to access your account-related settings. To enable end-to-end encryption verification, select security. You will see an option for Show Security Notifications. Toggle this option on to receive alerts when your contact's encryption key changes. Now, return to the account menu. Tap on Privacy to adjust your privacy settings. Here, you can manage who can see your profile photo, last seen, and status. Select Profile Photo and choose from the available options, Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. To control who sees your last seen status, tap on Last Seen. Choose the desired option based on your privacy preferences. Next, adjust your About section in a similar manner. Now, scroll down to find the Blocked Contacts option. Here, you can block any contacts that you don't want to communicate with. Go back to the main privacy settings and check Live Location. If you want to share your live location, tap on Share Live Location and choose your contact. To further enhance your privacy, consider using two-step verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. You can also add an email address to help you reset your PIN if needed. Once you've adjusted all the settings to your preference, exit the Settings menu. Your WhatsApp account is now configured for enhanced security and privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.